Hello friends, good evening. My name is Lalita and today we are going to discuss about today's editorial page, and today's topic is People's Parties. The resumption of the political activity and dissertation of a statehood are a must in Jammu and Kashmir. So resumption means actually we could say to restart. So they are trying to restart the political activities and that the resortation of the statehood, and they must be, and that should be happened in the Jammu and Kashmir. Six mainstream parties of Jammu and Kashmir on Saturday vowed to work together for a restoration of its special status under the Indian Constitution. So, the six mainstream the six mainstream parties in the Jammu and Kashmir on a Saturday, they had vowed, means they had as a work together in a restoration of its special status, means to get a special status, and under the Constitution, under the Indian Constitution, they had done this work. On August 5, 2009, the Centre hollowed out Article 370 and dismembered Jammu and Kashmir into two union territories, though a dubious legislative route. So, on August 5, 2019, actually Jammu and Kashmir is divided into two parties. That is, one is Jammu and one is Ladakh. We all know that. And 370 article had entered, and that time they had introduced the 370 article. At the time, even in 2019, it became a very big issue about that. Means it's became now even all the people know about that issue. Saturday's joint declaration is a reiteration of their Gupta declaration a day before the centre's move last year. So the Saturday's joint declaration is reiteration, means of they are considered over the Gupta declaration, and like the day before the centre's move as last year. Still, this signals a slow return of political activity in Jammu and Kashmir, which had been stalled for over a year. So here, the signals a slow return of the political activity. The signals are like, what would you say, that like the signals had a slow return over the political activity about this, and in the Jammu and Kashmir they had been stalled over a year, with leaders in the jail and curbs on communication and gatherings. Mainstream politics has been under lockdown even as a militancy showed an uptick. So if we had observed with the leaders in a jail and curbs, means with the leaders who are in the jail and the curbs, their communication gatherings and the mainstream politics are actually has been locked on. A militancy means fighting over something. Showed an uptick means showed an uprise in that. Several leaders have since been released, but many still remain in detention, including a former Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti. So here, if we observe, several leaders had they still remain in a detention, including the former Chief Minister, that is Minister Mehbooba Mufti. Besides the PDP's Miss Mufti, the declaration was signed by NC President Farooq Abdullah, People's Conference Chief Sajad Lone, and JK Congress President GA Mir, and MY Tarigami of the CPI, and Muzaffar Shah of the Awami National Conference. So here if we observe the different leaders who are in the Jammu and Kashmir, they had mentioned. Firstly, that is besides the PDS, Miss Mufti was declared, and she was signed by the NC President Farooq Abdullah, and the People's Conference Chief Minister said that he is a Sajad Lone, and the JK Congress President, that is GA Mir, and MY Tarikami of the CPI, and the Muzaffar Shah of the Awami National Conference. They have said their political activities will be subservient of the scared goal of the reverting of the status of Jammu and Kashmir as it excited on the August 4, 2019. So if we observe here, they clearly said that the political activities will be subservient of the scared goal, and the reverting of the status of the reverting means they were giving the status of the they were giving status of the Jammu and Kashmir on last year August 4, 2019, and that was regional parties. The Jammu and Kashmir PM and the PDF also supported the declaration. So the Jammu and Kashmir PM and the PDF minister had also supported over this law. Now, the center's Kashmir's tragedy apparently assumed that mainstream parties had no popular support and would wilt once the heavy restriction on their leaders stayed long enough. So the center's Kashmir's tragedy apparently. The center's Kashmir's tragedy means they said apparently they had assumed the mainstream parties had no parties and had no popular support, and they are now having they're having no support over the public, and would wilt once the heavy restrictions of the leaders and stayed long enough. So the heavy restrictions coming from the leaders had lived long enough with them. It also tried rather naively that a new cadre of politicians could be raised and a dramatic change in the political culture achieved through external stimulants. So here they are saying that it also tried so it also had tried in many ways that a new cadre politicians could be raised and a dramatic change in political culture. So change would come in a political culture, they had tried in that way, but there is no use of trying in that ways. Defectors from the PDP panchayat leaders who won in the election boycotted by most parties completely failed to build an alternative politics. So the defectors from the PDP and the panchayat leaders, the persons who won in the elections, they were boycotted by the most parties, completely failed to build an alternative politics. So they had boycotted means they had totally gone means people didn't allow that. Boycotted means people didn't allow, and they are doing they're taking an action against them. So they didn't even try to keep an alternative politics. The Kashmir policy have been a mix of reckless audacity and ignorance laced with the BJP's brand of the unitary nationalism. So here the Kashmir policy had said that the mix of recklessness, audacity and the ignorance laced with the BJP brand means that was laced with the BJP brand of the unitary nationalism. Asymmetric power sharing with the several regions and the center has been critical to the formation and the stability of the Indian Union. So if we observe, they were saying that the central didn't observe, the central is formed with a very critical stability by the Indian Union. The current government itself, which is ostensibly opposed to special arrangements negotiated on one with Naga rebels. So the current government means the government present running, they had ostensibly opposed the special arrangements. They had ostensibly the special arrangements towards that place and negotiated with the Naga rebels. The center has also retired. There would be. So the center has also reiterated there would be no alteration in any of the existing arrangements in the northeastern region. So the center has also said that there will be no use by doing these type of things. In the case of Jammu and Kashmir, the mainstream parties with deep social roots have always welded the region close to the India. Means in the case of Jammu and Kashmir, they are saying that the mainstream parties, mean the parties which were present running and they were very powerful, those parties are the deep social roots have always welded the region close to India. So they are the deep roots of the Jammu and Kashmir, means they couldn't be eliminated from that. The BJP and the center sought to delegitimize them all as soft separatists. So the BJP and the center gave a name for them, that is a soft separatists. There would be symbolized the rendered vulnerable before with their people. So they are symbolized and they are rendered some vulnerable before their, means they gave some options to their people. These moves undermine all elementary principles of the democracy and federalism, but also impede what the center claimed it was doing, closer integration of Jammu and Kashmir with the India. So the things which are undermined and the elementary principles of the democracy and the federalism, they also impede what the center claimed it was doing, and they are the closer integration of the Jammu and Kashmir with the India. There is need for the immediate course correction, so they have to made an immediate course correction towards the Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir statehood must be restored and the political activities should be freely allowed for a start. So Jammu and Kashmir should be they have to leave them and they have to do some political activities which were freely allowed for a start. Means for making a new start they have to leave. Means they have to give some gap actually. So now let us look at the meanings which were involved in this. And the first meaning is imply. Imply means inflict, indirect, hinted or suggested consequence. Means giving an indirect indications are called as imply actually. Are you implying that I am fat? Means are you indicating that I am fat? Designated means appoint, nominate, debate, officially give a name or a status. Officially means giving a name or a status to the people, for some positions. Credence means acceptance, belief, trust, confidence. Means I'm accepting this. I had a confidence that I'll pass my test, like that. Apprehend means arrest, catch someone for a crime, or understand or comprehend. Means arrest, catch someone for a crime. Means catching someone for doing a crime is called as apprehend. Vowed means swear, take an oath. Swear, she had vowed to remain faithful of the party. And dismembered means having a had limbs of cut off. Means having a had of the having the limbs of with a cut off is called as dismembered. And dubious means doubtful, uncertain, unsure and suspicious. Like having a doubt, means being doubtful over towards something. Iteration means repeat something again and again. Means repeating something again and again. See, like our teachers, they repeat the sentence all the children cannot be audible at a time. So the teachers have to repeat the same sentence at a time. Stalled means obstruct, impede, hinder, block, hamper. Means blocking is called as actually stalled. Detention means custody, imprisonment and confinement. Means taking into the custody we say, right? Or imprisonment means not into the not keeping in the prison. Subservient means prepared to obey others. And subsumed, less important, means giving less importance to that particular person or particular thing is called as subservient. And wilt means become limp through the loss of water. Means become limp means become lean. Lean with the loss of water means not having a proper amount of water in our body. Naively means showing lack of experience and wisdom. Means I don't have experience over this, I don't have experience towards this subject. And reckless means careless, rash or incautious and heedless. Reckless means doing some careless things is called as reckless. Audacity means willingness to take the risk, and daring, rude or disrespectful means being disrespectful towards others. Ostensibly means apparently, seemingly, appears to be true. Seemingly, if you observe, yeah, this is we can believe this, and that is called ostensibly. Welded means joined together by heating of the surface. Unite or bond. Unite or bond means I'm having a very good bond with my friend, so that is called as welded. And these are today's meanings. Thank you.